The Water Buffalo Bike Water Bottle Holder. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a quick look at a water bottle holder by Buffalo. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. You can purchase this on Amazon, and it comes in 3 colors: blue, gray, and white. It's made with 60% nylon and 40% carbon. It has a wide base and it's flexible. 23-degree flare tips and oval mounting points. Universal fit, and it's scratch proof. It can fit water bottles 20 to 29 ounce with no issues. Installation is simple and easy. It comes with 2 screws and an Allen wrench. Just install it on the mount points on your bike. And you can see how easy it is to remove and insert the water bottle. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.